What's your apartment like, Ken?
It's comfortable, but it's pretty small. There's only one room.
Really? Don't you have a bedroom?
No, I sleep in the living room.
What about your cat?
She sleeps in the living room too, right next to me.
What's your new apartment like, Celia?
It's really big. I love it.
How many rooms does it have?
Lots. It's got 2 bedrooms, a living room, and a huge kitchen and bathroom.
Sounds great. So, when can I come and stay with you?
Do you like your apartment, Joe?
Not really. It's very small.
Really?
Yeah, there's just one bedroom and a living room.
That isn't so small. How many people live with you?
7.
7? Wow.
Do you live with your sister, Ellen?
Yes, I do.
What's your place like?
It's nice. There are 2 bedrooms, a big one and a small one.
That's great.
Yes, but I have the small one.
Oh.
What's your new apartment like, Matt?
It's perfect. It's just the right size. There are 2 bedrooms, a living room, and a kitchen.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh, and there's also an office.
Wow, it sounds big. Do you have furniture yet?
Not yet, but there's a sale going on at Furniture World this weekend.
Great. Let me know if you need help with anything.